hard to do with you. Really love someone, giving up, hard to do with you.